Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So today we are going to discuss turtle module. So turtle module is nothing but it is like having a virtual artist in your code. So you can imagine it as a small turtle. It is holding a pen and it is waiting for your instructions to create some colorful designs or draw shapes, something like that. Okay, all by writing Python. And it's a great way to practice loops and functions and even your coding creativity. You need not worry about installing this turtle module because it is part of Python standard library. So you can right away use it. Okay, so let's see all the functionalities using this program. At the starting of this program, we have imported, yes, turtle module. So from turtle, we are importing two classes. So turtle and screen. Okay, so here toy is nothing but an object that we created for this turtle class and it is our turtle friend here. Okay. And now when I run this program, nothing exciting happens because it just a small screen appears and it just vanishes all of a sudden. So now what we have to do, we haven't really uh, seen our turtle friend, right? So what we have to do, we have to control the screen. So we have already imported the screen class here. So what we have to do here, so it's time to create object for that screen class. And so using that object, we can control the screen. So this is how we have to do that. So screen is equal to screen off, and in that screen class there is a method. There's nothing but exit on click off. Okay, so this method ensures that screen appears and only it vanishes if we click on that screen. Make sure that you keep this line at the end of your code. And now when we run this program, yes, we could see our Python turtle graphics window, as well as this is our turtle. So this is how in default our turtle friend looks like. So if you feel like changing the shape of your turtle, even that is possible. We can use shape of method. So we have to just pass in the type that we want. Like it could be square, circle, or arrow, triangle, etc. And we could change the color of our turtle. So you have to use color of method and you have to pass in the color that you want. So here, yes, I have given red. So when we run the code, yes, this is our turtle look like. So now once again I change the shape to turtle, and as well as now we are asking our turtle to move forward 100 steps. Okay, so let's see what it does. So while we run this, so our turtle moved 100 steps forward. Okay, and so we can control this turtle, like we can just make it move backward, or we can just let it turn right or left. So next we can see how to do that. Okay. So now in the program, yes, we have given toy dot right off. So we just have to pass in the angle. I have given 30, and we can just make it to move backwards. So I have given again 100 steps to move backward. Then again, I'm asking the turtle to turn left by 30 degree. Okay, so now let's just run this and see the output. So this is how our final output looks like. For explaining, I'm just bringing the screenshot of final output. But if you really give it a try, you can really see how the screen appears and turtle inside it is doing all the things that we are asking it to. And you could see the final output, how it looks like. And of course, after you click on that, our screen vanishes, right? So our output, yes, our turtle moved forward 100 steps, then it turned to right, then it moved backward 100 steps, then now it is turned to left. Okay, and now when I copy this 4 steps once again to this code, so now this turtle has to do the same set of operation twice. Then our output looks like this. So if we are just going to put that same operations into a for loop, we can just repeat the same set of steps as many times as we want. So what happens? We can just come up with any sort of patterns. Intricate designs could be made like this by repetition of same steps, right? So yes, play with your imagination and it is really interesting to work with. Okay, so yeah, give it a try. We can just try the same step inside this for loop. Okay, so this for loop I have started, and inside that list I have given 4 different colors because I want the turtle to change its color. Okay, for every completion of a single cycle inside this loop. So let's run this and see the output. So this is how our output looks like. Very colorful, right? So let's complete this lecture today by drawing a simple square. Okay, so before doing it, let's try to understand something. A turtle, it moves in a circle, and a full circle, it has 360 degrees. So whenever we want the turtle to turn and complete a shape, the total angle it turns must add up to 360 degrees. Fine? Yes. Now the square has 4 sides. So 360 divided by 4, What comes? Yes, it is 90 degrees. So 90 is the angle that we want our turtle to turn every time to draw a perfect square here. Okay, so let's just try this. So in this for loop, I have given the steps as well, and let's see. So our turtle has given us a perfect square, right? Yes, I hope you really enjoyed the session. So I think for today, this is enough. I don't want to overwhelm you with so much of concepts. So we can see more concepts in our next session. Fine. So just play around with this turtle, just change its color, change its shape, and ask you to move forward, backward, and whatever it is. And yes, try to draw different other shapes as well, or some different patterns. Just go crazy with your imagination. Just let your turtle do whatever you want. Okay, so just play with this and. So friends, don't forget to like and share this video, and as well the most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and a fun filled one. Bye bye and take care.